All right, we are tracking what could be considered a possible setback tonight in the search for the source of the cyclosporiasis outbreak. The FDA is walking back a positive sample from one supplier of lettuce. Tim Miller joins us with more on that and the signs that this outbreak isn't letting up. Tim?
Yeah, Jeff, the number of cases has gone up again in Northwest Ohio and in Michigan, and investigators aren't letting that setback, at least they're not trying to let it slow them down. The Food and Drug Administration said late last week that a sample of lettuce from Taylor Farms tested positive for cyclospora, the parasite that causes cyclosporiasis. But on Sunday, the FDA said that turned out to be a false positive. Taylor Farms wasted no time reacting, saying in a statement, in part, "Today, FDA apologized to us." But Brandon Polinsky, who oversees infectious diseases at the Toledo-Lucas County Health Department, says Taylor Farms lettuce products from Mexico aren't cleared yet.
And even if they don't isolate a positive sample from that food, a lot of the traceback has indicated they may be one of the sources of the investigation.
This comes as cases in Lucas County jumped from 852 on Friday to 967 on Monday. And positive cases in Northwest Ohio went from more than 1,600 to more than 2,000 now. The urgent search for the source of the outbreak continues in Northwest Ohio, Michigan, and at the federal level.
So it's an all-hands-on-deck situation. And really, the first to the finish line, everybody wins. So we are all looking for that source.
Michigan's numbers jumped from just over 5,000 on Friday to more than 6,100 on Monday. And the state's chief medical executive tells us the focus right now is on iceberg lettuce that wasn't sent to just one location.
We've got folks who were exposed to lettuce in restaurants, at restaurant chains, at fast food chains, and at grocery stores with product that they brought into their own homes.
She believes the contamination occurred upstream at a farm or where the food was handled or washed before being distributed. So what should we do now with our produce?
Buy a whole head of lettuce and to remove those outer layers, which are the parts that are most likely to have been contaminated.
Put it under running water, any vegetables that you might cook, because lettuce is the main ingredient we're looking at, but it may not be the only one.
And I asked Brandon Polinsky of the Lucas County Health Department about reports that singled out contaminated lettuce at Taco Bell restaurants. He told me they've actually talked to a lot of sick patients who never ate at Taco Bell. Live in the studio, Tim Miller, WTOL 11.